Interested in starting a faceless YouTube channel that makes polished content effortlessly, all without the hassle of editing, and it's all for free? Well, you're in luck because this video is exactly what you have been looking for. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Set up your Google account for the channel. Just click the icon in the upper right corner, select Add, click Sign Up, and create your new account. With that done, head over to YouTube, click your picture near the notifications, and hit Create Your Channel. Here, choose your name and handle, and voila, your channel is born. Now, let's add some personality with a profile picture. Jump over to canva.com, log in with your fresh Google account, and play around with Canvas's many free tools. After crafting your masterpiece, save it as a JPG. Back on your channel, change your profile picture by clicking on it and uploading your new image. With your channel decked out, it's time to tackle the videos. Personally, I often turn to Joe Rogan's channel. Check the link in the description. But any intriguing podcast video will do. Copy the video link from the search bar, head to opus.pro, and log in using your Google account. You'll have 2 hours of free usage, and if you need more time, consider using a different Google account or creating a new one. After signing in, paste the video link and hit Get Clips. After a brief processing time, you'll arrive at a page where you can choose your desired clip. Feel free to edit the clips to fit your vision. Once you've picked your clips, I went with this one, download them. Back on YouTube, click Upload Video, select your file, and craft a compelling title. Remember to add hashtag shorts in both the title and description. After the finishing touches, you're ready to upload. Pro tip: to maximize views, space out your uploads by waiting about 2 hours between each one. And there you have it, a finely tuned process to create engaging, bite-sized content for your YouTube channel. Happy content creating.